Happy Monday, everybody. So starting this week, we are going to be using a slideshow to help you guys do your distance learning. This week is April 20th through the 24th. This has both math and science in it. So if you just have me for math, just don't do the science pages. You can quickly get to each page by just clicking on these links down here. Or if you need to go to my contact page, you can click here, or the video conference hour page here if you want to do office hours. And I'm going to show you each page and explain them to you really quickly. So basically, this is just my contact page. Best way to contact me is through email. You can call the school and go to extension 1409 and leave me a message, and I will try to get to you as soon as possible. There's also Google Classroom. If you, for some reason, got kicked out of Google Classroom, here are all the codes for every class. Here is our Google Meet link. If it doesn't let you in, it's because I am not logged in yet, because I am the host and you can't use that Google Meet link without me being logged in. So I will be available 10 to 11 and 1 to 2 every day. You don't have to come in every day. If you want to, that's fine. I'm here to answer questions either from this slideshow or questions on a packet you're doing or anything else school related. This is just the video page where you'll find this video. The first page is Monday. You will have one activity every day for both math and science. So the first activity is a math riddle page. Follow the directions on the page. This right here will usually be a video either that I want you to watch or explaining it. This Flipgrid is a link. You can click on it. It'll take you directly to the Flipgrid where you can make a video to answer the question if that's your preferred method. The other method is to use a Google Doc. I will be attaching a Google Doc for you. It'll be the Google Doc for the entire week. You can just add all your responses or pictures into that if you'd like. Here's your science activity for Monday. You just watch the video and answer the question on the left. You can either do it via Flipgrid or the doc. Every time you see this Flipgrid picture, it is a link to the Flipgrid. Tuesday's activity is a would you rather question. I walk you through just the start of it. If you need to review what hundreds, tens, and ones are, you click on the review video over here in the extra resources. So if there's an extra resource little folder, that will have some kind of either document or video in it to help you solve the problem I have for you that day. You can answer it either Flipgrid or via the Google Doc that I will attach to this assignment. Science, I want you to sketch a living organism. If you don't remember how to do a scientific sketch and how to label it correctly, you can watch this video or you can go through the PowerPoint that we did in class. So I have two different sources for you to use. You can show me your sketch either through Flipgrid or add it into the Google Doc. It's up to you. Wednesday's math activity is a math mashup. I give you a quick little intro to it, and then you can again answer it via the Google Doc or the Flipgrid. Your activity for science is going to be a 2-day activity on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm going to have you make a one-pager on genetics. So remember, when we're dealing with genetics, you have alleles and you have recessive and dominant alleles. All those things we learned about Mendel and his pea plants, you can include all of that stuff from your interactive notebook on that one pager. Make them fun. Let's see the different ones. And you can share that on Thursday in either a Flipgrid or through the Google Docs. On Thursday for math, we're going to be combining like terms. I'm going to be attaching a slide that is interactive for you to use. And this video shows you how to do the actual assignment. This is a video reminding you how to join like terms. And this video is just a fun little video to understand why we need to have like terms. It's kind of funny. I laughed a little bit. This is just your activity from Wednesday continued, your one pager. You can either share it with us via Flipgrid or take a picture of it and add it to the Google Doc. On Friday, you have a would you rather question. Again, I give you a quick little intro to it, and then you guys can solve it. You can either take a picture of it or talk to us via Flipgrid. It's up to you. Or you can just write a little paragraph or so in the Google document for the week. Friday's activity is you're going to go back to your scientific sketch, and then you're either going to explain in writing or a video how you determined that your sketch, what you sketched, was a living organism. So please make sure if you have your scientific notebook, go back into that notebook and find that terminology. If you don't have that, maybe you should Google what makes a living organism, because you guys, we learned that. I know sometimes we forget things. That's why we take notes. So use that notebook. If you have any questions, make sure to visit me during office hours or email me, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Have a great week, guys.